how to order from two different places on Uber Eats. Here's how it works. First, you want to load up Uber Eats and then choose the first restaurant which you're trying to order from. For example, here, let's do McDonald's. You want to click on it, then choose the item which you want to purchase and add it to your cart. Once you have the item added to your cart, you will click on proceed here. We're just gonna go back and view your cart. And right here, if the restaurant has the option of bundling orders, you will see bundle order right here next to checkout. Another thing that you can do is group order. Right here in the top right corner, once we click on the person with the plus, you will see Peter's group order, or whatever, your name's group order. You can invite people and make a group order for this specific restaurant. And also, what you can do, like I said, is directly go and choose another restaurant, and if that restaurant order offers a bundle order, you will see it right here when you try adding items to your cart. I hope this explains it. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.